what's up? This is Jimmo Johnson of SMS Novel, also FYG. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to make this video as I get ready to go to Mexico, Tijuana. Gonna be doing some filming and some shooting there. So I'm hoping that flight goes well, but I wanted to kind of document these travels, you know, being able to work with SMS and do these films. It really is a cool thing because it allows like travel, right? So you go into San Diego and then to Tijuana and possibly to Sacramento after that. So yeah, it should be a good time. I'll be documenting our trip. So I just want to share that. But yeah, looking forward to seeing everybody in Tijuana, and also we'll have more video of the flight and also as we get there. Thanks so much. So just made it to Dulles Airport. This is about 6 a.m. now, so right now on a Monday, not crazy busy. This place will get pretty busy pretty soon. But yeah, things are pretty quiet right now. Getting ready to catch the flight in about an hour to Las Vegas. 1 hour layover in Las Vegas, and then flying into San Diego. Then we'll cross the border into Tijuana. So yeah, that's the plan. Believing that everything will go well. Looking forward to it. And yeah, have a good time. One thing I love about travel is that it's just so humbling. Even on a flight, when you look at the world from so high up, you just realize in essence how small we are and how much we have to learn about others. And I just always encourage people to travel, to go outside of your comfort zone, to explore. There's something energizing or reinvigorating about movement, and especially when you're able to be amongst another culture. It's just a really, really unique thing.
Got this great traditional taco. Strangely enough, I've been in Tijuana for like hours and I haven't been able to find a taco, but this is what I found. So many people might be wondering, you know, what this film project is all about. Well, number one, this is a travel vlog just to show you kind of the experience of Tijuana and what it's like a little bit. But secondly, the theme here is 7 days in Tijuana. What would you do? How would you spend those 7 days? And over the next course of videos, I'll be seeking to show you how I do that.
7 days in Tijuana.
Sun hit the sand like sin on skin. Baddest women, monsters dripping perfume and promise. Demons in stilettos, eyes like fire. I touched heaven and hell with the same hand, but by day 7, I saw her.
And that's